SelfCare Kits. It's not about perfection. It's about consistency. Have you ever noticed that two people can have the exact same workout plans, the exact same goals, and the exact same motivation, yet one person sticks with it while the other falls off track? We are the same in the fact that we're human and we bleed red. But then outside of that, we're also individuals. Our genetics, body types, personalities, lifestyles, careers, family responsibilities, and health histories all make us unique. There is no one-size-fits-all self-care routine. That's exactly why I love the idea of creating a self-care kit. A self-care kit isn't about buying expensive products or following the latest trend. It's about creating a collection of tools that fits your life. Things that make it easier to stay consistent when life gets chaotic. Because let's be honest, some people can have every obstacle imaginable thrown their way and still stay on track. Others can be doing amazing, and then one expected event, a busy work week, sick kids, an injury, a stressful month, and suddenly their entire routine disappears. Neither person is a failure. The difference is having a plan for getting back on track. That's what this self-care kit is for. It's your reminder that your health matters. Maybe your kit includes resistant bands, a foam roller, massage balls, a journal, water bottle, healthy snacks, stretching straps, or anything else that helps you care for your body and mind. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is consistency. You don't even need to spend extra money on a gym membership because a self-care kit can do the job just as well. Ask yourself, how am I feeling? Have I been taking care of myself? Have I drifted away from the habits that help me feel my best? What small step can I take today to get back on track? Set reminders on your phone or calendar. Give yourself permission to reset instead of giving up. We all get off course. The important part isn't never leaving the path. The important part is finding your way back. That's what self-care is really about. It's about choosing yourself over and over again, even after life throws you a monkey wrench. If living a healthier, more active, and more independent life is more important to you, then you have to make self-care a priority, not just when life is easy, but especially when life gets hard. Now, I always want to include a disclaimer. There are absolutely medical conditions and genetic factors that are outside of our control. Some people face challenges that no amount of exercise or healthy living can completely prevent. That being said, if you fall into the category where you have a heart condition or certain genetic factors where you have to be a little cautious, check in with your primary care, and then once you get the go-ahead, just make yourself a plan. For some people, doing the things in the morning before they leave for work works best for them. Some people in the evening works best for them. You've just got to find your groove and then make a plan and be consistent with it. Also, going back to the self-care kits, if you are a parent where you have little kids that like to get into things and you worry about having certain weights and them getting into the weights and hurting themselves, getting a bigger container to put, if you're going to have weights, to put them in, and something that has a lid on it so that you can keep all that stuff contained if you're worried about safety. But either way, just you got to set a plan. You got to start somewhere, and then you got to be consistent with it. All of that being said, I want to thank you for making it this far and listening to what I have to say when it comes to your self-care, because you can end up being old and tight and sore and hurting, or you can live the way our bodies are supposed to live, a long, healthy life where we keep moving. If you liked this video and you want to see more, I plan on putting more out on healthcare, anything to do with massage or anything like that. Please subscribe, follow, share, all of that stuff. And then go ahead and check out my other channel. I'm part owner of Adrenaline Squad Armory, where we're trying to bring community together, get kids off their screens, and we are just starting out. We had our first event July 11th. Our next one is going to be in September because we're applying for our nonprofit arm and trying to get funding so we can make this a bigger and better event. And then eventually we want to go year round. So hop on over to that channel and check out what we're about. Check out our website. Other than that, have yourself a blessed day.